Baanay
cited.
sila Kuya Blue.
So when you use a theory, kung gagamit
Puro
kayo
lang
ng theory,
watermelon.
you are entering into
But ana,
intellectual
oy!
tradition.
Tagaan
Citation
niya
shows
Kuya
respect
Blue,
for that kind
watermelon.
of tradition. Panglima, you use a model. You use a model or a framework. Isa-cite ba natin? Siyempre. Tama. Yes, isa-cite natin. Models and frameworks are intellectual property. So for example, ano bang mga framework, mga TPAC, mga Summer model, mga Kirkpatrick's evaluation model, yung Bloom's taxonomy, yung Solo taxonomy, those are frameworks and they are actually intellectual, meron silang intellectual property. So for example, the TPAC framework explains that the integration of technology, pedagogy, and content knowledge. Ayan. So if you use a model or framework, you must cite a source or at least properly acknowledge its origin. Ayan. Pang-anim, gumamit ka ng statistics. No? Isa-cite ba? Yes naman, syempre, isa-cite. Data must be traceable. No? For example, the literacy rate increased in recent years. The enrollment declined during the pandemic. The learning poverty increased in several countries. So dropout rates are higher in marginalized communities. So these statements, kinakailangan niya ng citation because they are data-based claims. And the reader must know where the data came from. Mga pang-ito, you use a table. You use a table, figure, a chart, or a framework. Ginagamit na natin ng picture. Ito pala, pinakauna pa pala, government policy. Ito sa policy muna tayo. You use government policy. Isa-cite ba natin? Siyempre. Yes. Policies must be identified as traceable. Halimbawa, no? If you mention the Department of Education, series of 2012 emphasize that. Ayan, ganoon yung pagka-cite ninyo. Why? Because policies are official documents. Meron silang date, meron silang titles, numbers, issuers, and the execution. Sunod, yung magamit ng table, isa-cite ba? Yes! Dahil materials or visual materials also need attribution. If you copy or adapt table, figure, or diagram, you must acknowledge the source. Halimbawa, it was adapted from the UNESCO 2015. So remember, plagiarism can also happen visuals, not only in words. Ang susunod, you use common knowledge. Sa site ba kapag common knowledge? Yes or no? The answer is no. Bakit? Common knowledge refers to information that is widely known and easily verified. Halimbawa, the Philippines is located in Southeast Asia. Manila is the capital of the Philippines. The school year has 2 semesters in May. Ayan education. These usually do not require citation. However, be careful. If the statement becomes specific, becomes technical, or statistical, or even debatable, citation must be needed. Halimbawa, Philippines has experienced persistent learning gaps in reading and numeracy So, at safe practices to disclose AI assistants when required. Kailan? So, halimbawa, yung author used an AI assistant for language refinement and organization of ideas, final analysis, interpretation, and scholarly responsibility remain with the author. And AI does not remove your responsibility as a writer. You remain accountable for the accuracy, originality, and integrity of your work. So, when you are unsure whether you cite, you ask these questions. Did I cite enough sabi sa akin itong idea kapag hindi? Isa-cite. Did I read this from a source? Did I hear from the lecture? Or is it based from research? It is common knowledge? Now, can the reader verify this information? If the answer, and if your answer suggests that the idea came from the another source, then cite it. You know what? When in doubt, it is usually safer to cite. Okay, now let us practice. Okay, sige natin, tingnan natin. At box. Item 1. No, I will read several statements and you will decide whether each one needs citation or not. Number 1, the item, item 1, the Philippines has more than 7,000 islands. Citation, okay, very good. The answer is no. Bakit? This is common knowledge. Common knowledge yan. Is widely known and easily verified. Okay, item 2 tayo. Sige, very good. Item 2. Transformational leadership improves teacher commitment and school performance. Does this need citation? Yes or no? Very good. Okay, 2. Yes, the answer is yes. Because this is a research-based claim. No, it is not merely common knowledge. It makes a claim about the effect of leadership on teachers and school performance. Therefore, we need evidence. Okay, number 3 tayo. According to Frame, education should liberate learners from oppression. Does this need citation? Okay, dito na ako nakatingin sa cellphone. Why? Because this refers to a specific source idea. Whenever you mention an author's theory or argument, then you cite it. Okay, ngayon, number 4 tayo. In my experience as a teacher, learners become more motivated when they feel respected. Very good. The answer is no. Because this presented as personal reflection. However, if you later connect it to the motivation theory, then you say correct. Item 5. Study shows that parental involvement improves learner achievement. Very good. The answer is yes. Because the phrase studies shows already indicates that this is a research base. If you say studies show, you must show the studies. Diba? So, citation, decision making is not about memorizing every rule. Hindi yan pag-memorize sa every rule na yan. It is developing academic judgment. Kasi bago kayo makasulat ng isang sentence, you pause and ask muna. No? It came from my, is this my original data? Did I get from someone else? No? Is it common knowledge? Is it my own reflection? If it is my data, if it is data, you cite it. If it came from someone else, you cite it. If it is own reflection, you frame it clearly. And if it is a theory, then cite the theories.